Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification right here, and below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals, then you can join Telegram. And then if you want some brokers, check out these brokers, sign up with them, because if and when you are going to trade with my signals, I want you to trade them in a separate account so that we can check the accuracy of my signals. Okay, so open a new account, demo account if possible, and then trade with my signals. Subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frames. On Monday we were red, so this is merely a pullback. Now in the daily we are still in the strong uptrend, but is it the beginning of the collapse? It's difficult to say because of dollar is still not in the uptrend, so dollar is still in the downtrend officially. So we might be taking a pullback, then go up again. So right now, let's see what's happening in 4 hour. Do we have any entry chance? Okay, so this is clearly a downtrend in 4 hour in Euro USD. The only thing we need to figure out is if this downtrend will continue or not. The way I see it, I think we will go down. Okay, so if you use your fib levels in the downtrend from here to here, it will take a pullback up to maybe, I think, 78%. Okay, so I think euro is gonna go up until 78%. So if you're a scalper, you can look for buys. But swing traders wait for the price to maybe reach or touch 78% in Euro USD, and then wait for the confirmation of red candle and then go down, then go short. Okay, so if that doesn't happen, then wait for this high to break or this high to break in order to continue the uptrend after the pullback. Okay, so again, there are only two things which happens in trading: buy or sell, or win or lose. Okay, so you sell when when you draw your fib levels, and then when the price goes back to 61% or 78% and then comes back with the red candle, then you go down. Otherwise, wait for this high to break. Once these highs are broken, then wait for the pullback and then you go up. Okay, so the way I see it, I think this is a downtrend, pullback, and then they go down again. So that's enough for you for free. So subscribe, like, share the video. Not many people are doing it for free. It's worth thousands of dollars what you see on the screen right now. Subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, join brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.